Hey everybody, welcome back again. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck officially became husband and wife last weekend, tying the knot with an intimate Las Vegas wedding 20 years after they first got together. And it seems they celebrated their nuptials by splashing the cash on a very lavish new abode. The two stars were spotted house hunting back in May and in June, that they had settled on a stunning Beverly Hills mansion that once owned by Danny DeVito. Lopez's luxury vehicle was seen parked outside the massive estate along with a horde of moving trucks. And while the couple has yet to confirm that they have purchased the property, moving vehicles were also reportedly spotted outside of each of their respective homes, leading many to believe that they have now moved into the mansion together. Lopez and Affleck rumored new abode was most recent owned by Australian billionaire James Packer, who the former fiancé of Maria. Other previous residents include DeVito and ex-wife Matilda. DeVito and Matilda sold the 7-bedroom home in 2015 for $28 million to developer Stuart and Stephen Lehner. The Lehner then made numerous upgrades to the estate and listed it for $85 million. Packer then bought the property of around $60 million in 2018. It's unclear what Lopez and Affleck paid for the house, and there are shroud of mystery surrounding the alleged deal, since the house was not even listed for sale when they reported bought it. In fact, real estate experts told that it had not even been shown off market, with the exception potentially being to Lopez and Affleck. The house sprawls across 29,000 square feet, which would allow ample space for a couple blended brood of 5 children. The massive estate is also said to have many luxury amenities and parks, including an at-home movie theater, a hair salon, a gym, an entertainment room, a wine cellar, and a sprawling pool, and even multiple guest houses. Thanks for watching. For more news and latest updates, please don't forget to subscribe our channel.